Hello! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, find the option called Universal Settings and tap on it. And as you can see here, you have an option called Device Language. Select it. It will open the list of languages. You can find the language you want to use on this list. Tap on it to select it. And after a second or two, the language should be applied. So if you select the language and wait a second or two, the language will be changed. Let's change it back to English quickly, like this. And once you're done changing the language, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.